What you see behind me is the mini freighter series number 3. It's an unmanned aircraft in which the crew is underground. We know that worldwide there are huge problems of reaching people in need. We solve this problem by introducing this modern aircraft. We bridge the last mile using our transportation drone, capable of carrying boxes to people anywhere in the world, ranging from water to medical supplies to batteries. For this system to be operational worldwide, we do need a logistical partner with a worldwide footprint. Together with Rhenus, we have developed a transportation concept in which everything is cased up and can be transported either by truck, by trailer or by aircraft, so that we can move all our equipment to the area itself and from there bridge the last mile. The Wings for Aid in combination with Rhenus Logistics turns this into a logistical solution, which is exactly what the humanitarian actors want from us. We really think that together we can make a difference.